Hi everyone, welcome to my A-level biology lecture series. In this lesson, we will explore the link reaction. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain that when oxygen is available, pyruvate enters mitochondria to take part in the link reaction, as well as describe the link reaction, including the role of coenzyme A in the transfer of acetyl groups. Let's get started. Link reaction. So under aerobic condition, pyruvate molecules are actively transported into the mitochondrial matrix to undergo the link reaction. So the link reactions from the name, the link reaction basically means is the reactions that link glycolysis and the next reaction Krebs cycle. So under aerobic condition, pyruvates are actively transported into the mitochondrial matrix. So the link reaction actually occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. So the diagram summarizes the reaction involved. Pyruvate enter into the mitochondrial matrix, and in the mitochondrial matrix, pyruvate undergoes link reaction. Generally, during the link reaction, there are two key processes occur. The first one is decarboxylation. From the name, decarboxylation means D means remove, carboxylation means carbon. So in this case, carbon atom is removed, okay, from the pyruvate, okay, in the form of CO2. So carbon dioxide is released after decarboxylation, as well as a dehydrogenation process. Again, dehydrogenation means removal of the hydrogen atom from the pyruvate. So from this diagram, you can see that reactions number one results in the release of the CO2. Step two, the formations of the reduced NAD. So in this case, hydrogen atom is removed from the pyruvate. So in other words, pyruvate is oxidized. So when pyruvate is oxidized, NAD is reduced to reduce NAD by accepting hydrogen atom from the pyruvate. Okay, the step three, you can see that the involvement of the coenzyme A. So coenzyme A acts as a carrier to carry the remaining acetyl group. If you look at this pyruvate, we know that pyruvate has 3 carbon atoms. But due to the decarboxylation, 1 carbon atom is removed as CO2. So the remaining group is known as the acetyl group. So therefore, this acetyl group combined with the coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A. So coenzyme A carry acetyl group to the next reaction, which is the Krebs cycle. Let us look at the reaction in detail. Decarboxylation basically means that this pyruvate molecule undergo decarboxylation where a carbon atom is removed as CO2. So the remaining molecule, 3 carbon pyruvate, is converted to 2 carbon acetyl group, followed by dehydrogenation, in this case, involvement of oxidation and reduction. So hydrogen atoms are removed from the pyruvate, so therefore pyruvate is oxidized. And when this hydrogen atom is transferred to NAD, therefore NAD is reduced to form reduced NAD. So the removal of hydrogen atom is known as dehydrogenation. So pyruvate is oxidized, NAD is reduced. After dehydrogenation, there is a formation of acetyl coenzyme A. So following decarboxylation and dehydrogenation, the remaining 2 carbon compound known as acetyl group combine with the coenzyme A to form acetyl coenzyme A, or in short, we call it acetyl CoA. So what are the overall products of the link reaction per glucose molecule? As we know that 1 glucose molecule results in the formations of 2 pyruvate. So therefore, per glucose molecule, link reaction has to occur 2 times. So therefore, what are the products? First, due to the decarboxylation, so 2 molecules of CO2 are released, 2 molecules of reduced NAD are formed, as well as 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are produced for 1 glucose molecule. With that, we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you have found this lesson helpful. If you have any question, again, feel free to leave them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.